In the last episode, Sasha and Keoni looked at this equation and saw several pieces of geometric information. H equals 2.4, K equals 0, and P equals 1.5. In this episode, they will graph the equation and label geometric information like the focus, the directrix, and the vertex of the parabola.
Your goal is to graph the parabola, but also to locate and label geometric information like the focus, directrix, vertex, and a special point.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you work by yourself a little bit, and then we'll share again.
Okay.
Oh gosh, okay.
So, Keoni, I'm sort of watching while you're doing that, and I was really interested because you're just changed your focus at the last moment. Can you tell Sasha about your thinking about that?
Because my focus was all the way over here, and my vertex was right here. And I was thinking, that's a little strange for a focus to be that far away from my vertex. So I moved it 1.5 spaces above my vertex, because you understand me.
I got you.
And Sasha, what did you put as the focus?
I had that as my focus.
And what's the coordinate pair for the focus?
2.4, comma 1.5.
Why don't you write that in, Keoni? Now, what other geometric information did you figure out, Keoni? Either the directrix, key, or the special point?
I figured out the directrix by going 1.5 units below my vertex.
And Sasha, what did you do for that?
My directrix, I put 1.5 because in our equation, since we don't have a k, we know it's only going to move side to side and not up and down. So no matter where it is, the directrix is always going to be on 1.5.
And what's the equation of that line?
Y equals 1.5.
Negative 1.5, right?
Negative 1.5.
How do you know it's negative instead of positive?
Because it's below our vertex.
Okay. And
or
x-axis.
The axis.
So why don't you share with Sasha what else you found, and then we'll let her...
I mean, I found a couple points here.
How'd you do them? How'd you find them?
So for 4, I just plugged 4 in for my x, and then I got 1.6 squared over 6, and I got 0.426, which I rounded to 0.43.
Mm-hmm.
And then for this one, I just plugged 1 into my equation, and then I got 1 minus 2.4 squared divided by 6, about 0.33.
Okay, beautiful. So, Keoni, why don't you move yours to the side, and let's see. Sasha, can you share anything else that you figured out?
I did what you did when we plugged in the numbers for x. So like I plugged in 5 and 2. So, and wait, did I plug in 2 for that? No, that's for my... I don't know if I did that one. I don't think I finished that one. I don't know about that one. Is that one? Okay, so yeah, so I got that point. And then I got, when I plugged in 5, I got the y as 1.13. And then I plugged in 0 at one point, so then I got 0.96. And yeah.
And for the 2 there, what's the label coordinate pair for that?
I don't know which number it goes with. Yeah, because like there it is, and then I don't know where.
You lost track of your
I don't know where it went.
Okay, so it seems like you both figured out you could put x values in and to the equation and find y values. Oh, very nice. So that's 2 is the x value, and the y value is
0.026.
Sasha's graph showed the vertex of the parabola at the point 2.4, 0. That's because they found that h equals 2.4 and k equals 0 in the previous episode. Keoni started with the focus at 1.5 units above the origin, but said it looked strange for the focus to be so far away from the vertex, so he moved it to be directly above the vertex. Sasha said the coordinate pair for the focus is 2.4, 1.5. To locate the directrix, Keoni placed a line 1.5 units below the vertex. Sasha said that the equation for the directrix is y equals negative 1.5 because every point on the directrix is 1.5 units below the x-axis. Then, Sasha and Keoni found many points on the parabola by substituting different values of x into the equation and solving to find the corresponding values of y.